Hi everyone, and welcome back to the LYNQ kitchen. Today we are making immune booster popsicles. We are going to start with 2 cups of apple juice. Then we're going to take 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 squeezed lemons, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, thinly sliced, 2 tablespoons of thinly sliced ginger. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of LYNQ Empowdered just to get you those extra nutrients. Blend it all together. Once it's smooth and fluffy, you pour it into your popsicle molds. I have extra liquid, so I'm going to try doing something a little bit different. I'm going to put it in an ice cube mold. They're going to go into the freezer for 6 to 8 hours. A day later, I am now going to taste the ginger, turmeric, honey, lemon popsicles. Let you know how it is. Wow.
You're one of those weird people that bite the popsicle.
Yes, I am one of the weird people that bite the popsicle, but you know what? It's actually good. It's fresh.